heavy duty protest hashtag occupy Jounalists house, which means a Jubilee house, and kind of a more drop of bashing. And then I see a couple of videos online. Police if one kind of saying the protesters this year, like they are arresting them. And a couple of videos like they were talking about this is a movie kind of say the arrest, the rest of them comes from order from above.
Why they laugh?
Maybe I'm inside.
Then double if you don't get one.
Nothing. I say order from above.
Maybe I'm going to we will be above.
And then they were arrested. I think the Bavoli Papa Kazi was there, and then there are videos that I said, which are also online heavily.
This is what's happening in Ghana today.
Oliver Rafi, I can't say like I am bass in Unkra to us, which name near Coswa. I don't quite understand why I said if someone a peaceful protest, they have the right to do that protest, and then right now they are arresting them. Hey, so right now we can't even protest again.
This is not a democracy we signed up for. This is not a country we signed up for. And we're calling attention to everybody, all media houses, every individual. Wherever they are taking us, we have no idea. The police have zero right to be able to arrest demonstrators in this democracy. We are calling on to you. We so far have no sense where we are. We are calling on every lawyer who wants to volunteer. We need lawyers, as many lawyers as we can, to descend onto the police headquarters. To descend onto the police headquarters in order to provide legal assistance to every person who has been arrested today. This is not a democracy.
How can we live in a democratic dispensation? Normal like this happen. I saw an abnormal speech. I can't say UN, United Nations, or top of say they are touting democracy to other African countries or other countries. I bribe you within the UN, there is no democracy there. Because no man, or not in like 2017 crisis, won't put it into place and they've done nothing about it, but they keep talking about democracy and all that.
We witnessed it firsthand, over and over again, that the big powers of the United Nations might be preaching democracy, fairness, and justice around the world, but are happy to practice the opposite here at the United Nations, prioritizing parochial interests over those of humanity.
And then back home, this is happening. People are protesting democratically and without, assault, destroying anything, and they are being arrested. We have to say heat retention arise here, because hey, Ghana no baby did funny there. You shouldn't but if some things like this happen, it gives people some ideas. I'm not saying nothing bad should happen, but and even the Saturn and right now they are arresting journalists also. Because most journalists is a fourth estate or a fifth estate. And if they can do their job properly, they can do their job. But they report on matters. And right now they are being arrested. Hey.
I was trying to tell them to stop and they just shove him aside. One guy who is my lawyer there, he has also been arrested for just asking them to stop. You should see what I don't believe that. I just can't understand that this is happening.
Aware you are a media person.
Yes, my lawyer was telling them that she is a journalist, leave her alone. As they were all holding, some of them were holding their guns like this, as if they are ready to do whatever they want to do. And more than 6 of men, policemen, I'm not talking about women, policemen, 6 policemen, and they just shook my hand behind my back and bring the phone, and one tall guy had to
Enkoye kura like what you some of the videos and then how no money see corner. Enkoye. Nah, this is bad. Like you guys say bad that this is it. Oh just it. Who gave that order? Where is that order coming from?
We will not be poor. Even if we go out there to plead shame, we will stand and we will fight and we will take our country back. We will take our country back.
Interview. You arrested a simple like that.
Even if one person has been arrested, even if one person is even left, that one person will go. In as much as democracy is concerned, what matters the most is there is no definition for democracy. Because the white man who brought the democracy has never defined it. So in as much as we don't hold arms, we are not armed, and anybody arresting anybody, that means that that person who has sent anybody to arrest anybody is a dictator. We are here to cry in solidarity of the ordinary Ghanaian. Today, Ghanaian children, parents can no longer feed their children.
Well, so you see what is happening right now. So police officers now, they're maintaining the process, arresting some of the protesters who came here and said they're going to protest despite police preventing them. Now you can see police officers here.
Is that what they sign up for? They are suffering.
You can see that some of them preventing us from even speaking to the protesters who have been arrested.
Something has broken. Like the beer cut it off for Ghana. Like your spinal cord. Like, I feel like the beer breaking. We need to reassess our. But I remember 4 years, before I said about last time, it wasn't like this. Even though it's an economy that kind of, here and there. But you can blame, the protests on they are protesting about the economy basically. But to the
nation demands your devotion. Let us all unite to oppose it and make it great and strong. We are all involved. We are all involved. We are all involved in building a motherland. The nation demands your devotion.